In today's world, human strength alone is no longer enough. To push productivity, efficiency, and innovation further than ever before, we rely on machines, powerful, precise, and sometimes absolutely insane. Beyond the familiar machines we see every day, there exists another category. Machines so strange, so unconventional, and sometimes downright shocking that at first glance they look more like something out of science fiction than real engineering. Their designs break every traditional rule, their movements feel unnatural, and their capabilities allow them to perform tasks that once seemed completely impossible. Today, you're about to discover some of the most unusual, powerful, and mind-blowing machines ever created on Earth. So sit back, because this is RareWorldTV, the incredible high-speed brick-making machine. At first glance, it looks simple, but this machine performs a task that once required dozens of workers. Nicknamed the Brick Wizard in parts of India, this machine can produce over 3,000 bricks per hour, evenly shaped, perfectly aligned, and laid out to dry automatically. A massive cylindrical roller presses clay directly into brick form while the internal system mixes, compresses, and releases each block with astonishing precision. All of this can be operated by just one person. The result: lower labor costs, faster construction, and dramatically higher efficiency, especially in regions where brick production supports entire communities. The metal shredding monster. Let's begin with a machine often described as a mechanical beast. This industrial shredder is capable of destroying almost anything. Cars, motorcycles, concrete blocks, bricks, appliances, and even massive steel structures. Equipped with enormous serrated steel teeth rotating in opposite directions, this machine doesn't crush, it tears. Anything dropped inside is violently ripped apart within seconds, reduced to twisted fragments of metal. The sound alone is terrifying, a grinding, cracking roar that sends chills down your spine. Despite its brutal appearance, this machine plays a critical role in modern recycling. By shredding scrap metal into manageable pieces, it allows materials to be sorted, melted, and reused, turning destruction into sustainability. Still, watching it work feels like standing next to a mechanical predator. The strangest hole-digging machine ever built. This modified device automatically digs perfectly spaced planting holes, each about 20 centimeters deep, at consistent intervals. Originally adapted from a pesticide sprayer, it now helps farmers plant crops faster than ever before, saving time, energy, and physical strain. A small change in design, a massive leap in productivity, the spider excavator that defies terrain. Forget wheels, forget tracks. This is the spider excavator, a machine that moves like a living creature. With 4 independently controlled robotic legs, it can climb steep slopes, crawl across rocky cliffs, step over deep gaps, and even balance itself on uneven ground. Each leg bends, extends, and locks using advanced hydraulic joints, allowing movements impossible for traditional excavators. Manufactured by a Swiss company, this machine can operate where no other construction equipment dares to go: mountainsides, river banks, landslides, and vertical terrain. Watching it move feels less like machinery and more like robotics coming to life. The world's largest chainsaw. Meet the monster of the chainsaw world. With a blade length of 1.81 meters, this industrial chainsaw can slice through trees nearly 2 meters in diameter in a single cut. It's powerful, it's dangerous, and it's not for amateurs. Weighing far more than standard chainsaws, controlling it requires strength, experience, and extreme caution. But when it comes to cutting massive trees efficiently, nothing else compares. The tree transplanting giant. Relocating a fully grown tree used to take days, sometimes weeks, and often killed the plant in the process. Not anymore. This tree transplanting machine can uproot massive trees with root balls up to 1.8 meters wide, lift them cleanly, transport them, and replant them elsewhere, all within minutes. Its curved hydraulic blades surround the trunk, dig deep beneath the roots, and lift the entire tree intact. With this machine, entire landscapes can be redesigned without destroying nature, preserving trees instead of cutting them down. The automated hedge cutting system. Maintaining kilometers of roadside hedges used to require countless hours of manual labor. Now, one machine does it all. This automated hedge trimmer uses hydraulic arms and computer-controlled blades to cut greenery with incredible accuracy. Even better, it vacuums the cut leaves instantly, leaving behind clean, perfectly shaped hedges. Efficient, clean, and incredibly satisfying to watch. The Dutch dredging machine that feeds the land. In the Netherlands, managing water is a matter of survival. This unique dredging machine doesn't just remove mud from canals, it redistributes it. As it sucks sediment from the bottom, it sprays nutrient-rich material evenly across farmland, improving soil quality while maintaining waterways. One machine to critical tasks, perfect efficiency. The forest-devouring harvester. In modern forestry, speed is everything. This machine can grip a full-grown tree, cut it down, strip its branches, slice it into measured sections, and stack the logs, all within seconds. Powered by onboard computers, the operator simply selects a target tree, and the machine handles the rest with surgical precision. Entire forests are harvested in days instead of months, a process that once required dozens of workers. From mechanical monsters to precision engineering marvels, these machines prove one thing: human creativity has no limits. Every strange design exists for a reason: to solve problems faster, safer, and smarter than ever before. If you enjoy exploring these incredible machines, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow engineering enthusiasts. This is RareWorldTV, and we'll see you in the next incredible discovery.